Hey guys, Killer Squad here, welcome back to another video. This is sad because my dog just died. Trooper. If you go back, there's like 2 videos of him. Super Trooper was made here. He was standing right there. I gotta tell you the story. No, I'll tell the story.
I saw it.
Yeah, me and my friend were, my brother and my friend were talking. I went over and my dog followed me over. A car came, he looked at the car and the car hit him and he started rolling along the road and he started shaking with his nerves and loads of blood was coming out of his mouth and then he died.
Big chunk of blood.
Yeah, and then when we were bringing him back over, he was like, blood just came out of him. I'll show you it when we get there.